Let us not find ourselves pursuing the wrong priorities, but instead, let us pursue God. Why? As we pursue God, we know for the fact that God can do all these things. He can provide all your needs. So instead of pursuing your needs, pursue God. Why? Because God knows your needs. But there are times, and many times, Christians pursue things of the Word and they forget God. And you know what happened? They try to pursue the things of the Word and they will tell God, Lord, please help me to pursue these things. Help me to get these things. Help me to have these things. Help me, Lord. Help me, Lord. It's the wrong way. You must keep on pursuing God, and God knows your need. Your devotion must be on the Lord. Why? Because God knows what you need. Before you make mention of it, God knows it already. Right? So instead of inviting God doon sa bagay na gusto mong maabot at marating, you have to pursue God so that He will give it to you. And He can provide opportunities. God is a God of promotion. Amen? So don't be anxious of many things that can lead you into wrong priorities. What are your priorities? Kahit kung ang Panginoon ang priorities natin, walang tayong dahilan para hindi magtapat, maglingkod at sumuporta sa gawain. Amen? Amen? But I find it sometimes challenging, even in our church, or in some Christians I've met, na pagdating sa gawain ng Panginoon, parang sasabihin na, tama na yan, okay na yan, sige na, matapos lang. But in some other things, we are so very meticulous na gusto natin gawin yung best natin. Ibigay yung best natin.